Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make a classic noob avatar in Roblox on PC. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered how players create that iconic Roblox noob avatar? The classic noob look is one of the most recognizable avatars in Roblox history. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it from scratch using the Roblox Avatar Editor. First, open the Roblox app on your computer and click on Avatar from the left side menu. Once you're in the Avatar section, click Customize. The first thing you need to do is remove any clothing items your avatar is currently wearing. Simply go through your equipped items and deselect shirts, pants, jackets, and any other accessories until your avatar is completely cleared. Next, click on Body and then select Build. Scroll down and make sure the R6 avatar type is selected. This is important because the classic noob avatar uses the original Roblox R6 body style. Now, go back to Body and click on Skin. Select Advanced so you can customize each body part individually. Start by clicking All and choose a yellow skin tone for the head and arms. After that, click Torso and select a blue color. You may need to adjust the color slider slightly to match the classic noob appearance. Next, select the left leg and choose a bright green color. Repeat the same process for the right leg, making sure both legs use the same shade of green. Once the colors are set, go back to Body and open the Body Parts section. Check your torso and arms and remove any extra body packages or layered body parts that might be equipped. The goal is to keep everything as simple and classic as possible. After removing any unnecessary items, your avatar should now have the classic yellow head and arms, blue torso, and green legs that make up the famous Roblox noob character. That's it! You've successfully created a classic noob avatar in Roblox on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Roblox avatar guides, tips, and tutorials. That's it! I'll be back with more in the next video.